Hello guys, and welcome to Duck Modeling Part 2. In this session, we'll use ellipsoid and sphere primitives, apply transform tools, create cuts with the wire cut command, blend surfaces smoothly, and adjust proportions using scale. Let's jump right into the modeling. First, we start by creating an ellipsoid from the preset primitive objects. We draw it using 2 points to define the elliptical shape, setting the y-axis diameter to 200 millimeters, the x-axis diameter to 50 millimeters, and the height to 50 millimeters as well. This gives us a slightly flattened 3D ellipsoid form. Next, we use the rebuild surface command to adjust the number of control points on the surface. After entering the values shown on the screen, we move the lowest control points downward to shape the bottom, shift the next group slightly to the left, and finally move the top group of points gently to the right to refine the overall form. Now I'm turning on the control points, and I want the front point group of the body to lie on the same plane. This part is very important. To do that, I'll draw a reference line and use Extrude curve to extend it in both directions. Then I'll align the grid plane to this surface using construction plane to surface. Once the construction plane is set, I'll select the front control points and use Project to C-plane from the Transform menu. This aligns the points perfectly and defines the main body shape. After this step, let's reset the construction plane by choosing C-plane world top. Now we're ready to move on to the detailing phase of our plastic duck toy, where we'll use commands like blend edge, wire cut, trim, and fillet surface. First, let's see what the wire cut command does. It slices a 3D solid object using a 2D object without breaking its solid structure. For example, let's create a plane where the toy duck will sit. Draw a 48 millimeter downward line from the end of the body as a reference. Then draw a line to the left that fully cuts through the duck's body. We'll use wire cut with this line to slice the body. Let's do it. As you can see, we've cut the entire 3D geometry using the line. Make sure to follow the command bar while using the command and ensure that Keep All in the command panel is set to yes until the operation is complete. In the end, you will have 2 separate solid objects. Now, select and delete the separated lower part. Next, switch to the side view of the image and draw an ellipse for the wing detail. Use the 2-point ellipse method and pick the 3rd point from the image as a reference. Then use this curve with wire cut to hollow out the body. Finally, we can apply the Fillet Edge command with a 25 millimeter radius to the sharp edges on the body and apply the same value to the bottom. Now we are ready to move on the next step. See on part 3.